Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create albums in Google Photos step by step. Creating albums is one of the easiest ways to organize your photos and keep similar memories together in one place. First, open your web browser and go to Photos.google.com. Then sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Photos home page, click on Collections and then open the Album section. Now click the Create Album button. Enter a name for your album. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, such as a trip, event, or special occasion. After naming your album, click Add Photos. Browse through your photo library and select the pictures you want to include in the album. You can select one photo or multiple photos at the same time. When you've finished selecting your photos, click Done or Add. Your new album has now been created successfully. Open the album to view all the photos you've added. If you want to include more pictures later, simply click Add Photos again and select Additional Images. Creating albums doesn't duplicate your photos. It simply organizes them, making it much easier to find and share your favorite memories whenever you need them. And that's how you can create albums in Google Photos. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.